Buff the nails. Clean the nail with nail remover. Add few drops of slip solution in a container. Choose the color for nail extension. Apply base gel on nail. Cure under lamp for 10 seconds to let it dry. Now apply polygel to the dual form. Shape the polygel until you get perfect shape of nail. Now apply this dual form on your natural nail. Press a little to fix it. Again, cure under lamp for 10 seconds to let the polygel dry. Now remove the dual form from the natural nail. Now apply top coat on the nail. Again, cure under lamp for 10 seconds to let the top coat dry. File the nail now. File until to get a perfect shape. Now clean the residue. Here is the final nail look.
Wow!
So shiny and unbreakable.